Welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found my channel Pickin' Stitches, and today we're going to be unboxing another shipment from Fat Quarter Shop. This is not one of their subscriptions. This is just kind of me backfilling the supplies that I keep using in my craft room. So here we go. Alright, so I think this is going to be some of the backfill of the paper that I've added so that I can complete the rest of the piece and quilt sampler. I don't know why that name of that quilt is so hard for me to keep in my head, but it is. So yes, that's exactly what that is. So I have several triangle on a roll sizes, but there were a couple of the bigger sizes that I didn't have, and so I thought since I'm sewing this out in the tutorial that I'd probably go ahead and add these triangles that I was missing. And then I also got some Flying Geese papers. I think these are, yeah, I get the Flying Geese foundation paper set. So financially, it just made sense to go ahead and do this. And I'm not sure if I'm going to like this method as much as I like my 4 at a time quilt in a day ruler method, but we'll find out. And the only way you ever know is if you try something new and you do it a couple times and you see if you can get efficient at it and if it works better. So I'm excited to try those out. And then this was actually a deal of the day that I picked up at the same time that I was getting all of these other ones. So I want to say it was like $25 or $26 for this jelly roll. And it's just a really fun combination of some red, white, and blue colors. I'll go ahead and open it up so you guys can see it because I'm going to be making something with it real quick. I have a beginner quilt tutorial coming up that I wanted to do something that was jelly roll friendly because so many people get jelly rolls in the beginning and then you really don't know what to do with them, or they're a little trickier to sew with than you thought they were going to be. So I thought this would be a fun kind of summery pattern to use. And it's that red, white, and blue kind of feel with a little bit of pink in there. I don't know why that it feels like summertime. And I'm getting pinked edges everywhere. It's probably all over my shirt. Okay, so we've got a really nice floral pattern. In fact, I'm going to switch to the overhead here. Here we go. Okay, so I got the 4 triangle on a roll paper piecings. So these look really large, but it's actually the 1.5 inch finish size. So you've got 2 rows adjacent to each other. Same thing with this one. So this is the 4 inch finish size. No, I said that. This is probably 4 in a row. Okay. And then what else was I missing? I was missing the 1 inch and I was missing the 2.5 inch finish. So that completes the set that I need to do the rest of the sew along for the quilt and piece sampler. And then I got the Flying Geese. I just went ahead and bought the foundation paper pad set because it made sense. I didn't have any of these, and for the dollars it was a little bit better deal. Okay, and then back to what we all care about, the beautiful fabric in the jelly roll. So now let's see. This is called Sweet Liberty, and it's a mode of fabric. And I want to say they're almost always 42 strips in each roll. So it's a Brenda Riddle design, and it's really quite lovely, pretty traditional. It's got a lot of florals mixed in, and then that's a fun little ditzy print and some roses. Oops, I skipped one. So we've got, oh, that's the same one. That's fun. Like the old school pillowcase covers. And then another little floral. So I think this will make a really fun jelly roll quilt where the pattern isn't so important because there's just such limited colors in this group. And it repeats that same combination kind of over and over again. It's just in a different color. I don't know why I can't remember the name of that pinstripe that you would have on a pillowcase. If you can remember what it is, tell me in my description so I can put it in the notes. And then another pretty floral. Those two are the same. Yeah, I think this is going to be really cute. Really cute. I didn't realize it had so many tans in it. That's kind of a fun little note as well. So another gingham and then another flower print. And you can see all the lovely pinking edges that are going to be all over my sewing room. So quite the cute little bundle. Okay, so that was my unboxing of this week's Fat Quarter Shop order. Kind of, again, just backfilling things that I've run out of or things that I need to keep in my sewing room for new projects. I hope that was helpful. I definitely like being able to showcase some of the deals of the day because I think that those are really fun to take part in when they work out to be something that you're excited about. So if you like watching these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, if you could like and subscribe to my channel, that certainly helps me out a ton. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.